Hello guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to check your Access Bank account number. For this you have to download the Access Bank application from the Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to log in to your account from the app. After that, as you can see, there is a menu button on the bottom left corner. Click on that and you can see your account number. There is another way to check your Access Bank account number. One of the easiest ways to check your Access Bank account number is by using USSD code. To do this, you can follow the steps below. First, dial *901# on your mobile phone. Then, select the option which says Other Services. Step 3, select the option that says Inquiry Services. And step 4, select the option that says Account Number Inquiry. Step 5, enter your PIN. And you can see your account number on the display. Thanks for watching.